Okay, here we are again. I have decided to do a small demo test just for you. Okay, using my 1/4 inch hammer drill bit tip, or my 1/4 inch hammer drill bit. So I'm going to do a demo for you, simple demo of just to show you how versatile and how powerful this drill is. I presently have it on hammer mode. I'm going to put it on speed number 2. Okay, and I'm going to show you how versatile and how powerful this drill is. Let's go. Forward, reverse, forward. And there we're going to drill. Okay, and we're going to drill. Reverse mode. So there we have our hole using our cordless Milwaukee hammer drill model 2611-24. Okay, so bear in mind we have more videos to come, and this is just a small demo. Okay, thanks for watching.